guys, it's Anna here from Miscellaneous Fuzz, and today I wanted to share with you guys my squishy vending machine that I worked on all day today, and I'm very proud of it. Before I get into the vending machine, I wanted to give a shout out. I wanted to give a shout out to Swanda, I'm pretty sure, so like Swan and Panda Studios. I'm gonna have the link to their channel in the description box down below. Really funny content, and they actually gave me the idea to do this squishy vending machine for you guys. So go over to Swanda Studios and subscribe to them. Okay, so first I'm going to do just like an overview. It's the top of the box. First of all, I made this out of an Eggo box. I have my squishy vending machine, and there's steps to each part. So this is step 1, step 2, and if you turn it to this side, there's step 3 over here, which is to get the squishy. Over here I have a card. On this side, on the back, I just put washi tape on the back, just all of it. And then on this side it says squishy vending machine. That's basically it. Washi tape is kind of like not that sticky because I got this just about a year ago. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I see a spot that wasn't covered, so that's gonna bother me for the rest of time. So first of all, there is nothing in here, if you can see. Yes. And also, once you push on this, like, it doesn't go. So you need the card. So let's get that out here. So we stick it in over here and then slide it. And now you can push this in. And if you look on the side here, you have your squishy. So here's the squishy. It's the Cafe Dien powdered bun. So let's do it again because it's fun. So first of all, there is nothing in here. So no movie magic going on over here. And if I push this in, I can't. So I need my dandy little card here. Slide it. Now I can push it in. And now I have my squishy. Here it is. It's my Merlin Mickey bun. I'm gonna do some close-up shots of me doing each process, and then I'll show you kind of like behind the scenes of it. Okay, so there is nothing in there. Nothing. And if I push this in, it won't. Okay, so I just need to insert the card and slide it. And take it out. Now I can. And there we have a squishy. There it is. So here I open it on the top. Here are also just like things you can do with Eggos if you wanted to know. Okay, so here is the inside of it. Okay, so basically in the beginning I have a squishy that I put in there. I only do one at a time because I can't do like multiple. It doesn't really work. Okay, so that's that. And the reason why this can't be pushed in is because there is something blocking it right there. If you can see. See it? So you stick the card in, and the card moves it out of the way, and that's how that happens. It just opens up right there. That is it, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please comment down below any video suggestions, and also don't forget to subscribe to become a part of my Fuzzy Wuzzy army, and also don't forget to share my channel with your friends and family. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye! Fuzzy Wuzzy's out!